Alright, y'all, it's day 2, and today I'm gonna be trading my 50k funded account. I'm still not in profit, as you can see. We are now in my 50k funded account. Market is about to open in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna mark it out. I didn't do proper analysis, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna mark out London session highs and lows as well. So I'm just going to mark out these highs. We just took out London highs pre-market. And the lows in an Asian session. We already took them out in London session. So we might continue this uptrend that we started in Asian session. But there is low right here. Previous day lows. I can see consolidation here. And there's a high right here we didn't take out on previous day. I marked these out. I don't know why I marked this. So we sold off all the way down. Reacted off as a zone. I'm not gonna risk a lot of money today because I didn't do enough analysis. I didn't even check ES. I low-key just rushed into the market. But if we look at 15-minute, we're shooting down. Probably going to take out some lows. And I think we're bullish for the day because we have a gap right here. We have a lot of stuff to fill throughout the day. I don't think we're going to sell off, because if we were to sell off, we would go all the way down to these lows over here. So if we were going to sell off, we'd take out this low right here. If I start seeing a sell-off, we'll either take out this low or this low, and then we'll carry on up. So if we were gonna sell off, I'd look for a reaction off of these highs. We could enter a short down to these lows, but it's most likely that we'll go up in price, because if we were to sell off, it will be from here down to there kind of thing. Yeah, if I start seeing this entry, I might enter short. Put my stops right above this high. Okay, market just opened. We're gonna see what happens. I low-key wanna see if we react from this fair value gap, start shorting, we could get a good entry. But realistically, we should be longs, because if we look at the 5-minute, we have a gap right there. Everything looks long to me, unless we do a New York manipulation type thing where we take out all this liquidity from these highs, get to here. That's what's most likely going to happen. We might react to this zone right here and possibly sell off. Who knows? Okay, we're already spiking up like crazy. There's so much volume. Let me check on ES as well. So I'm going to duplicate this. Oh. Okay, let me check on ES. Oops, that's not ES. On the S&P, we're shooting for... We might take out this high on S&P. Bro, this is why I hate when I don't do my market analysis on the D. So S&P, we might take out this high. If we take out this high and react, we can go for shorts. The way this candle was moving, I don't know. We're looking long. Oof, yeah, it looks kind of long, I'm not gonna lie. Unless we react over here, start selling off of this zone right here. If we sell off from here, we could look for shorts. I should have probably went long, to be fair. I don't know why I like looking for shorts when we're literally clearly in an uptrend. We could grab a little short from there. But this market open is crazy. It just spiked up Boom. I got my tea as well. Green tea. Green tea, my habibti. This is very stressful. The way this is moving... the way this is moving, it looks like we're gonna continue up. I would definitely look for shorts around that range. Yo, this price action is hella confusion. Because London session, we didn't really have much of a move. It's more consolidation. We did take out Asian session highs and lows, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I think the reaction will happen right here. So I'm going to mark out the zone of interest right there. How do I show this? Right here. Here's where I'd look for shorts. Because the way this candle is moving, we could grab some good shorts, I'm not gonna lie. Why the hell is my auntie living over here? Yeah, the way this is spiking is mad. I forgot to check the news. I did not check the high impact news date. So this little big move up is really crazy to me. I mean, I don't really know because we didn't really manipulate. We just went straight up. If I see a reaction off of this candle, I'd look for shorts, honestly. We need to start seeing reactions. Okay, there's no selling pressure whatsoever. We're just spiking up like crazy. Did we get a 5-minute closure? Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, this is kind of worrying to me though. That 5-minute candle is crazy. We could possibly just shoot up. Nah, I don't even know why I said I'm looking for shorts. This whole move is so, like, we did so much manipulation over here. The only reason why I'd say short is because of the gap right here. But even that doesn't matter. And there's like a gap right here. But like, it don't really matter though, because we'll see how price reacts. We are getting a reaction of this zone. That's crazy. Should we start selling over here or should we wait for it to hit the zone? Because we're a bit out of the zone right now. We just need to sell. Let's look at the 15 seconds, see how it looks. I might put a sell limit right here, limit sell 2 up there. If we get a sell reaction off of here, we should be good to go. I didn't do enough analysis, but I'm not going to risk much. It's only 2 minis. So 2 mini contracts should do the trick, I guess. If we look at the 1 minute. Yeah, we should be fine. We should be fine. My mama don't like you, she likes everyone. I'm not gonna over risk. I'm gonna put a stop loss really tight if this hits. Yo, it might not even hit though. Yo, low key, I should have entered earlier because look at this. We are reacting so good off this little twicky wicky wick. Did we miss the entry again? Now hold up, we should be good. We should be good because there's no way we missed the entry like that. Mama don't like you, and she likes everyone, and they never like to. On the 1 minute, we are cooked. Yeah, we might have missed the entry by a tick. That'll be so unfortunate. But I was looking for a short from here to down to these lows. Something like that. Oh hell no, the price is so volatile. Like from here all the way down to around, take out these lows. So that would have been a really good entry. If only I got the entry. I missed the entry by like a tick. Super annoying. Can we possibly get another entry? If price decides to give me an entry, we should be good. Yeah, nah, price is not giving me an entry. We missed it by like a tick. Again, that'll be super unfortunate. Super unfortunate. I need to stop having multiple entries. I don't know why I like top ticking. I should just wait for a confirmation retest. I want to see if my bias is correct though, because I realize we need to take out all this liquidity right here before we make them big move up, because there is a massive move up due. And this might be manipulation, reversal, and then take out the liquidity, then we actually do the proper distribution. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We might actually get an entry right here, who knows. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, la-la-la-la-la-lo, no. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Price action right now is not looking good, bruv. I bet about that beef in there, whatever beef in time. Break decent. Yo, low-key, this was going good. This trade was going good. If only I was 2 ticks away, bro. Oh, hell nah. 2 ticks away is crazy. This would have been like a 1 to 5 right there. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, but you know what? I didn't enter, so I guess I made a mistake somewhere. I guess just somewhere out there. We're definitely gonna have to take out these lows. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We'll see if we make that move up. Okay, we're making the move up. Okay, we're flying up. That's not good news though, because if we're making such a drastic move up, I'm homeless. I'm kinda homeless. Yo, mama kinda homeless. Yo, I can't believe we missed the entry again, bro. I can't believe that. Yo, Jews, I need these, bro. It's the Jews again, man. I hate being damn broke. We are making a retrace, but I don't know if this is a longitudinal retrace or if this is just a Jewish fake out. Should we just press sell right here? Nah, price is low key. Price is pumping right now. We could be getting cooked right now. We could just have to wait for price to do something like this. Oh my god, price is going crazy. Should we just press sell? I'm low-key wanna press sell. Nah, just wait for price. Just wait for price. See what it does. If it gives us an entrance, we make the entrance. If it doesn't, low-key, this is a good entrance though. Nah, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Yo, why is price moving so volatile, bro? Oh my god, this was a perfect entrance. I met Matt there with a beef in where we got with beef in time. FT's in time for coming 7. So much for idols. KMT with the I. Let me check on ES real quick. So ES did take out this high and it just retraced from that high. So on ES we took out that high and now we're shorting. Yo, this is perfect short for ES as well. We can just short position and probably down to these lows right here. Let's check on the 15-minute. Yeah, that makes so much sense. It needs to grab liquidity, so it might take out these two lows while this takes out all these lows right here. Possibly all these. I should probably short, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and press sell.
Order filled.
Oh shoot. No.
Order filled.
I pressed way too many sells. I was meant to do one.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, sell. I sold way too early. I mean, way too late. But we could get that move down. I'm gonna put my stops right above these highs. And that should be the trade for the day. Good risk to reward. Very small risk. I'm gonna put my take profit right over here just to secure the profit for the day if it goes well. I didn't do too much analysis on this trade, so it might very well not go to my plan. Yo, I feel like we might get one final retrace though. Should I just wait it out? We might get one final retrace. That's exactly what's happening.
Order filled.
I cancelled the trade. Hold up. We might get one final retrace to all these highs. And then we can sell. Yeah, maybe I should have been patient. Patience is key. Patience is key. I gotta wait for the retrace and we can get the sell at a better price, right? Yo, this market giving me mixed feelings. I keep being very let me check on ES. Yeah, I'm gonna wait this one out. I'm gonna wait for more confirmations because market is giving me mixed feelings. I mean, we're just in a little retrace right now on the 1 minute. Let's see the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we didn't even have any sort of confirmations. Sweep. Yeah, I have a feeling we're gonna go back up to these highs and then react from there. Unless we're genuinely gonna continue this uptrend. This price action is hella weird. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm waiting for confirmation or something. Price action is moving crazy. I don't know if this... I didn't even check news. I didn't even check Forex Factory. Like, bro. That's how you know it's so bad when you are trading super late. Or when you haven't properly analyzed the markets. I didn't even check the news. I didn't check nothing. That's why market is moving very volatile. On ES, we still made that high, I guess. Today. Let's look at the calendar. What day is it today? Monday, Tuesday? Today's 24th. Today's the 24th, right? We don't have much hype. We don't even have high impact news. So we should be fine. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for this up move. If we react off of this zone, we can look for entries. We are in sort of a consolidation phase here. We could get an entry, I guess. Up here. So much for adults. Okay, I can risk it from here.
Order filled.
I can risk it from here and then limit sell another one up here, and then stop loss would be, yo, this might be stupid of me to be shorting. Stop loss has to be above, like way above. This price action is crazy. But we do have a lot of liquidity at the bottom to grab. But we are in an uptrend, so I'm basically trading against the trend only because I think that we're gonna grab some of these lows over there before we continue this uptrend. And that's kind of what it looks like price is doing, I guess. I don't want to look like I'm just trying to guess stuff, but like a lot of this trading is guessing. So even with ES, we need to grab these lows. I could literally enter a short right now with ES to grab these lows. These lows right here, we should grab them. I'm pretty sure we should. It's kind of like a no-brainer kind of thing. Okay, so we are shorting pretty much. I'll put my take profit right underneath these lows and call it a day. $360 on a trade is not bad at all. And I don't think this is terrible, especially with not much analysis done. I'm really tired as well. Yo, we're up. Come on, we need to get that funded account, I might move my stop loss to, I didn't even put a stop loss. I might move my stop loss to break even, I guess. $1 of profit, crazy. We are shorting, but it doesn't look very clean. The setup does not look very clean to me because we are reacting off of this zone. But we are shorting, I wouldn't even lie. Let's see on ES. Are we going to smash the target on ES? I didn't enter on ES, but it would have been an entry. We're reacting. If we make an SMT right now. Yeah, nah. This isn't very clean though. Price action isn't clean. I might just cancel out the trade. I don't know. Yo, this price action is scaring me, bro. Like, what is this? Super volatile, super scary. Should we close this out? I don't know. I'm scared. You know what? Let's just play it. Let's just let it play out and see what happens. I hate being nervous in trades. Listen, if I go to break even, it'll be a lesson learned, I guess. We can find another entry another day. And it's not that much of a risk with $1 profit. Like, this is a demo trade anyway, because technically this is a funded account. I haven't really passed the account yet. Price is super volatile. There's very high chance that we hit break even. Yeah, I can see what's going on right now. The Jews, they're on to me. Bruh. See, that kind of price action is just gives you such trauma. But thinking about it, we should take out these lows. Like, we should. Because price needs more liquidity to grab before going all the way up and filling in the FVGs and all that stuff. Okay, I'm not really care. I don't really care enough. If we go break even, that's, I'll call it a day. Better than over trading. That was my bias for the day. that was my bias, what I saw today, because I didn't really analyze the market that much. But whoever's a professional, if you traded today, let me know what you kind of saw. Daddy, please don't stop me out. Daddy, please. Please, Daddy. Daddy, please. Ew, 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 ew. Don't stop me out. Do not do it. Please. Please. What's that? You think I'm attractive? That's why you don't want to stop me out? Oh, come on. You know you don't want to stop me out. Don't be silly now. Come on. Oh, don't be silly. You don't need to stop me out. That's so horrendous. What? Emily, you want to stop me out? What? You want to go straight down to take profit? Yo, I want to change my laugh, bro. I just want to laugh like, I don't want to be laughing like, I swear they're going to stop me out. Come on, bro. It's just $1 of profit. Oh, but...
Order filled.
Are you serious right now, bro? There's no way you just stopped me out just to... Nah. Nah, this has to be some sort of Jews. No way. Nah. They just stopped me out just to... There's no way I'm missing the move just because I low-key want to re-enter. They done that. They just did that to me. I low-key want to re-enter now. Yo, ES is low-key cooked, but we need to take out these lows. Nah. Nah. Are you serious? They stopped me out, bro. No profit. I'm missing out on this entry. I'm not taking that very well. Yo, what the hell was price action doing today? Looking at the 1 minute, I don't even know if that was the move. We got stopped out, bro. I should have just taken the $200. But, you know, we learned the lesson. I'll be so mad if we get stopped out and they go straight to TP. Which it looks like exactly what's about to happen. I should have not put the stop loss at break even. Bro, what is this price action? It's all wicks. It's all wicks and dip. If the world was ending, you'll come over, right? You'll come over and you'll stay the night. Would you love me for the heck of it? All our fears will be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'll come over, right? You'll come over and you'll stay there. Bro, I'm having hiccups. I don't know. Let me look at the 15-minute. Okay, I see what's going on. We might actually go up there and react off of this zone that I initially marked out. Yeah, I see what's going on. I seriously do. I seriously do. The bullish trend might continue. My bias might be incorrect. Maybe the sell was meant to happen from at the top, right there. So there's a buy. I might have been incorrect. Our moves might have been incorrect. See, this is what I gotta make sure that if I take the wrong trade, we gotta be honest. Like, we did a little wick. Might come back to the wick and people sold off right here. Yo, low key, ES might climb up to these highs. But before it does that, it needs to shoot low and take out these lows. And take out these lows. It needs to take out at least, it needs to drop down to here. And long. So that's what I'm thinking. if we don't have that reaction? We have to sell. What do you mean? We have to sell. There's no way we are going to make this drastic move up without taking liquidity like this. At least react from here, drop down, generate liquidity. I mean, there's a lot of manipulation happening here. Drop down, grab these lows, bomba clot all the way up, to about here. And possibly even higher back up there. Yo, we might be in an uptrend. No, we are in an uptrend. Bruh, I'm going to touch myself tonight. And I hope you guys join me. Yeah. Yeah, no. This sell has to happen. This sell must happen. If we look at ES, even on ES, we need to take out... we take out this low at least. At least this low. I'm very confident. If I'm so confident, why don't I just enter on ES? But we need to see where we're going to take out this low. So possibly after here. I try to imagine your reaction when it told me first that the earthquake happened, and oh, it got me thinking what a blessing to be living. I was sitting in the kitchen watching television like, oh, it's been a year now since I figured out how not to let you go, and now I let it all figured out. I know, you know, we know, and together, and it's fine. I already marked out this zone, so can we get retracement from here, or are we just shooting for the stars? Bro, low-key, we could be shooting for the stars. Shooting for the stars, or the moon, or the rock. We didn't have any manipulation from the last couple of sessions, so why did London session do this? London session open, we filled in the gap. We did some consolidation. We shot all the way up. Crazy. So whoever bought in London session would be still in profit right now. I think I know what's going on. We could look for sells. Right above here, we could look for sells. Asala baby. I might just fuck it. I might put sell limit. Limit sell 1. Sell over here. And I think this is way too early for a sell. You know, listen, if you have a bias, just let the just go with your bias, bro. Don't go with the freaking plan. Forget plan. You can't really plan anything in your life. Just go for the damn bias, bro. Fries in the bag, dude. Oh, hurry up and touch me already. Touch me already. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch. I don't know why I keep lowering it like it's gonna make it any better. Just sell.
Order filled.
Just sell already. Just sell already. Stop doing that to me. Yeah, so that's the bias I'm going with. Oh, we're already on negative. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, we have a bias to play out. If it doesn't work out, we cooked.
Order filled.
Oh yes, we in. So my stop loss would be right above these highs. Now that I think about it, this is such a strong buy. No idea why I done that. We done it way too early. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. I never like to admit that I was wrong. I'm so caught up in myself. I'm fighting against the trend. Yo, am I stupid? Listen, as long as we have a stop loss, we should be fine, I guess. But my initial thought is we're going to react off of this little dooney donut here. but I could be hella wrong. All that just to make a little bit of profit by taking out this low right here. $800 in profit. That's not even worth it at this point. Nah, because the way this thing went up, it just didn't make sense to me. Even on ES, we should sell. Unless we're genuinely going to take out these highs. But in ES, we took out these lows, so we should be pushing higher, right? I might have made a big mistake. I might have made a big beefsteak. Tune it on vida, tune it on vida. My biggest beefsteak. We might have done a big, massive beefsteak. Let's just see what happens, bro. Let's just watch the price action. If I did a mistake, then that's on me. That's on me, cause I'm tired, bro. Let me go to sleep, bro. Let me just go to sleep. Seriously, bro. This price action is annoying me. I mean, if this 15-minute candle just closes in a sell position, we should be fine. I think I sold way too early though. Way too early. Yeah, once you take liquidity out like this, I think I sold way too early. The sell bound to happen, but maybe not now. Oh nah, this is not looking good on ES. We just broke out the high. Awkward. If we push past further than this, then we are cooked. We are most likely aiming for these big ass highs. I should have just went with a trend and didn't try to bend or recommend. Yo, what the hell is this price action, kid? I wear my granddad's clothes. I look incredible. My grandma gave me HIV. Look, at the end of the day, worst case scenario, I lost $400. Not much, considering we have a lot more trading days to go. But the sell must Elon must. Okay, so we could try and sell on ES as well and make this a W day, but I don't want to higher the risk. On ES, we should be able to sell. On ES, the move looks weird. I don't even know what ES is doing. Hippity hoppity, there's a bomb on your property. I feel like just going to sleep and waking up with order filled. Order filled. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Order filled. I have no idea what this big manipulation stick was. But, if the 15-minute candle just closes in bearish, we could possibly go down to these lows, like I said before. I should have entered really late. But I don't know what price is doing right now. I should probably take my stop loss a bit lower than this. My stop loss way too high. Hustle, baby. Ah. Ay. Shall I close out and wait for a better price? Or should we just wait it out? Because at this point, I don't even know. Because on ES, we're going to take out these lows. Possibly all the way down to these lows. On Nasdaq, we need to take out these lows. Okay, we are in green. Never mind, we are not in green. Okay, now we are in green. Okay, now we're not in green. Okay, now I'm annoyed. Now I'm not annoyed. Now I'm triggered. Now I'm not triggered. I'm aiming for $800 of profit, which is quite a lot for my funded. But this move right here is not good, because this shows to me that we grab price from here and we're going to continue up. But unless we break structure to the downside right now, this could be a solid entry. Like, yeah, cuh, I'm not gonna lie, like, this could be a solid entry, cuh. Please, speed, I need this. My mama kinda homeless, please. JP, I'm kinda broke. Yo, JP is not listening to me, bro. The price is still pumping. Listen, I'm gonna listen to my bias. Even if I lose money, I'm gonna listen to my bias. Because my bias tells me something. We gotta listen to that damn bias. But I might be wrong. Don't get me wrong. Like, I could be wrong. But ES is sort of selling off, which is good for me, because that means profit. Never mind, it's not selling off, it's buying back up. Told them F12, F1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yo, this price action is really not for me, bro. It's really too volatile for me. Just shoot down, hit my take profit, and let us all live happily ever after. Stupid ass. The only problem with having one contract is the fact that you can't set. Wait, do I have two or one? I have two. I can set partials. Yeah, well, I can set partials, I guess. My first take profit would be right underneath these lows. Oh, we are shooting down. My first take profit will be right here. So I don't want to take big risks because I'm nervous. Please. Okay, I'll lift it up. I won't be greedy. Okay, I'll lift it up even more. I don't even want the money anymore. I just want to get out of this trade. Yo, bro, I don't even want the money anymore. Just to get me out of this trade. I'm nervous. Bro. Fine, I'll put the take profit here. There's no way. Nah, I'm crashing out. Come on. Get me out. Get me out, please. This is so annoying, I swear down. Fine, I'll lift it up to here. Yo, what? Bro, we're literally minus. Nah, there's no way. What is this price action? Yo! Yo! Yo, chill out. Yo, chill. Chill out, bro. Should I re-enter on ES on a sell? This price action is not it. The Jews are really onto me, bro. They're onto my nerves. It's not even worth the risk anymore. Yo, we're in negative profit. Oh hell no, look at this spike. Oh hell no. Short, 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 short. Yo, why are we spiking? I've had enough of the markets. I need a break. Ugh, I need to take a break. Markets are stressing me out for real. Okay, what the hell is this price action right here? Someone explain this to me, because I'm not seeing anything. Someone explain that to me. It ticks my partials. It like touches my partial take profit. And it decides, nah, you ain't getting no partial take profit today, cuz. We're going straight to the stop loss. No mercy. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my stop loss get told. Many, many, many men. Please, JP, we need this. All of us, we are the ones who need this, JP. Not you, JP. You have too much money, JP. Why are you looking for my stop loss, JP? You ain't gonna find it. Guess why? Because I'm gonna remove that I'm joking. Nah, I don't want to blow my account. Yo, this price action low-key, it's not looking good. It's so volatile. Like, we're in an uptrend. I'm trading against the trend. My only hope is these lows that need to get taken out, all this liquidity, and the only thing where the only reason why it makes me think that we might not get it is the fact that we are making such big retracements in the move up. Usually when we do that, it just means that price is going to continue the trend because it's grabbing liquidity as it goes. But the move up is low-key big though. Like, the move up, I don't think we're going to have that sell. But on ES, the sell looks good. I mean, we can sell off all the way down there. On ES, there could be a sell. I might close my trade early because the price action is giving me heart attack. So maybe I'll close the trade at like TP1. Bro, probably even take out though. I might even just cancel my entire plan for the trade. Only because we might just take out these lows and continue the uptrend. Bruh. It's definitely an uptrend, but are we going to get one last liquidity sweep? I don't know why I'm trading the liquidity sweep instead of trading the trend. I find it easier somehow because price moves so much faster when it's grabbing liquidity. It just sweeps it. But, okay. I'm stressing out, bro. After I'm done with this, I'm going to go to JP Morgan's house and just probably give him a little knock on the door and be like, JP, look at me in the eye. It's not you, bro. It's not you. I know you're a nice guy. Like, you look like, you know, when Gideon goes to the EDP and he goes, you're probably like, you're the backbone of a community, bro. Like, you're a nice guy. You're a good guy. Look at me. You're not a monster, bro. Look at me, JP. You're not a monster. You're a good guy. Like, you're the backbone of a community. And, you know, if I thought you was a bad guy, you know, we wouldn't be looking at these right now. Like, you would be somewhere else right now. So, like I said, so with the stop loss that you're trying to hit, my stop loss is underage. If you're trying to hit that, then, you know, we're looking at the JP Morgan Epstein files, and it's not looking good, bro. Like, take profit and everything would have been good, but you trying to hit on my stop loss is just super wrong, JP. Super wrong, bro. Stop trying to hit on my stop loss, bro. JP, daddy, please, JP, I need this. Please, please, JP, please, JP. JP Morgan, please give me take profit. JP Morgan, JP Morgan, JP. JP Morgan, give me take profit. Don't give me stop loss, please, JP. I will go to the floor, to the ceiling, to the door and tell you. JP Morgan Chase, why you do this to me? Hedge fund here and hedge fund there. Hedge fund freaking everywhere. My grandma fell from the chair. And she has a very hairy hair. Jump scare, jump scare. JP Morgan Chase, you are a disgrace. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? I am trying to look. I am trying to see. My name is JP. I am the daddy. Give me a retracement. Give me the basement. Give me the cement. Give me the mint. Give me the take profit. I'm trying to hit take profit. Broski, I swear to God, we have such... I'm about to die. Bro. What is this? Yeah, the trade is not looking good with this price action. I might just cancel it out, honestly. Honestly, I'm having second thoughts. I'm just like, bro, cancel the whole trade and just watch it hit whatever it's supposed to hit. But on ES, bro, why are all the trades looking autistic? Even on ES, but on ES it looks very bearish. So I might just cancel the trade on Nasdaq. I genuinely might just cancel the trade. You know, should we just cancel the trade and call it a day? Yeah, I'm out. Hold up. What do you mean power off? Yo, this bearish candle is too big. I'm gonna have to reduce my stop loss to 300. There we go. I reduced my stop loss only because that's the risk that I wanted to take today. I didn't want to take any more risk. So that's my maximum risk of the day. I entered way too early, and very well, this price action is not making me confident at all. either way, whichever direction we need to go, this low needs to get taken out. Bro, I really wish this thing didn't just react without touching my buy limit, so that I'd have taken partials, but price action is just giving me a wank attack. It's not letting anyone go short or long. But realistically speaking, we should see a drop in price. But when I look at ES, it's not looking good, bruv. ES looks very bullish to me. The way this trend is continuing, it's like we're going to rip up. So I'm just going to wait for any moment for me to be able to get out at a cheaper price and call it a day, because JP is not giving us any entries. Broski, even if you just slide down to here, we'd be good with $60 of profit. At the end of the day, profit is profit, and I've had enough of this. And like, I've had enough of this whole price action thing. It's super annoying. Okay, this might be good. Okay.
Order filled.
I closed out. Listen, guys, I closed out, and here's the reason why. I should have probably waited a bit more, I'm not gonna lie, because price is probably gonna play out. I'll tell you why I closed out, because I entered pretty damn late and we're consolidating right now, and I don't like being in a position where we're consolidation. Although, look, are you serious, JP? As soon as you heard I closed out, you just want to start dumping? You stupid little JP, bro. Watch when I see you. I'm going to give you a big little... Yeah. And now we're dumping. Alright. And it's 325, so this is a good time to... I'm curious to see what actually price does. So I might just watch this trade play out. But I closed out. I didn't do enough analysis, okay? I didn't want to risk it. I'm going to lock myself out. $240 of profit. Yeah, I got you. Listen, at least I didn't blow my account. I wasn't too confident in the trade anyway. I didn't really see a lot of bias. My only bias was liquidity. And the end game is to get up there. Because I realized the end game is like, we are not in a bearish trend. We are buy trend. Like, our trend is up. We're in an uptrend. Why am I trading against the trend? The only reason is because I thought we might do a liquidity sweep and then continue up the uptrend. So we are definitely in an uptrend. I was just trading the short-term liquidity sweeps, which might not even happen because of the manipulation we had previously. So my whole bias is incorrect. I'm not a professional at all. And I just wanted to catch a quick liquidity sweep. And it might happen. It might not. It might not go all the way down to where I think it will. But it should go down to about here at least. Hold on. Anyway, the whole bias is uptrend. I traded against the trend. I broke my rules. I gonna let the price action play out. I wasn't too confident. And look, price is pumping back up. So that's why I kind of just got out quickly, because I realized I'm not in a good position right now. Price is too volatile. We're in an uptrend. I'm trading against the trend. My bias is weak, and I wasn't prepared for this trade. I'll just let it play out anyway. I could have entered longs. If I entered longs, maybe at market open. I was considering entering longs, but I was like, what if... See, this is why you don't want to doubt yourself when you're trading. If you doubt yourself, you keep thinking, what if this, what if that, bro? I was thinking about entering longs, but I was like, what about the manipulation? But there was no manipulation. The price just went up, boom. because the manipulation already happened. London session, we went, filled in this gap, consolidated, and we reversed, and we could have made some good profit from this buy. But you see what it does? You bought here, boom, boom. It should take out these buyers though. That's what I'm thinking. Should we enter short again, but at a better price? Doobie doobie doo. Nah, I keep thinking to enter short, Bro, I'm not gonna enter short. I'm just gonna wait for price to play out and see what happens. I need to learn a lesson from this. You know what, guys? What I'm gonna do is gonna just end it there. I'll let price play out, and we'll see tomorrow what price action did, and I'll keep this indicator marker here to see if my bias plays out or if it just keeps zooming up to where I wanted it to go, which is this key level. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night here. I'll count this as a not trade because we didn't really take a trade today. I kind of cancelled it. It was a small profit, but I cancelled it. But we're still not blowing the funded account, so that's a win for me because I always blow funded. So yeah, beginner trader, we didn't really make any profit, but we didn't really lose anything. So if you guys have got any tips, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. No L's taken.